Okay, here I have an invention that can levitate aircraft carrier's weight. Let's say aircraft carrier is 97 tons. That's the total weight of aircraft carrier. How do we levitate it? Well, we turn a 1 ton mass instantly. Turn that mass by increasing its mass from 1 ton to 1 million tons mass. How do we increase that ton to become 1 million mass? Well, first of all, let's find out how to levitate the object. First of all, as this it's 1,000 engines. And let's say this engine right here is 1,000 G's. So, and then the next one's 1,000 G's, and next one, each one individually is 1,000 G's. So it's all cumulative. The top one's always going to spin faster than the bottom. So each one is going to be the same way. The top one's always going to spin, or in this case, the front one is always going to spin faster than the one behind it. Even though all the engines are spinning at the same g-forces, but the speeds are cumulative. So the top one, or the front, in this case the front one, always going to be spinning faster than the other one. So it's going to be cumulative. You have 1,000 engines, and each one's spinning at 1,000 G's, but the front one's always spinning faster than the one behind it. So what you get is 1,000 engines, and each one's got 1,000 G's. So you multiply 1,000 engines times 1,000 G's, and you get 1 million G's total. So that's the answer. 1,000 engines multiply with 1,000 G's, you get 1 million G's. So you multiply 1 million G's times 1 ton, and you turn that 1 ton instantly into 1 million tons. Okay, so that's how we increase the weight of this, by using forces. If you know your math or your science, the faster you move, the heavier you get. Doesn't matter if you're spinning or moving fast in a straight line. The faster you move, you gain weight. So if your g-forces, each g-force is equivalent to 1 Earth. So when, let's say 1 ton equals to, let's say in this case, 1 ton equals to the same gravity as Earth, so it'll be 1 ton. Let's say you got 2 G's, or 2 Earth's gravity, so you multiply 1 ton times 2, and that equals 2 tons. Same math. So 1 ton multiplied by 1 million G's will be 1 million tons. So you turn this instantly into 1 ton equals to 1 million tons mass. That's how you increase it. Now, how we can use that for levitation purposes? Well, here it goes. Now we know how we're going to get that increase in g-forces. Each motor is going to be spinning g-forces in front of it, and the one on top of it or in front of it, it's always going to be spinning faster than the one behind it. So that's going to be a cumulative increase in g-forces until you get to the acquired g-forces. So this all, for example purposes, so the numbers are not exact. You could use multiple rings in a gyro system, or you can have one. But and in this case, you have just one, for example. But you know, let's say this ring spinning this way, with the one weight mass here, right, and spinning this way fast. And at this point, the 1 ton, basically 1 ton here, 1 ton, 1 ton, 1 ton, 1 ton, 1 ton, boom, right here it becomes 1 million ton, and it goes this way, 1 million ton, 1 million ton, boom, it goes back to normal, 1 ton, 1 ton, 1 ton, boom, 1 million ton, 1 million ton, 1 ton, 1 million ton. So basically what you're doing is less weight, more weight, less weight, more weight, and what it does is pulls this way, this object. Pulls it by kinetic inertia. So now you have this propulsion going this way. It could be going up, reverse, backwards, stop, or change direction going that way, or this way, or like originally we had it, going forward. So in a three-dimensional space, you can go anywhere. Doesn't matter. Go be left, right, up, down, bottom, anywhere direction it can go. It's just one circle. Obviously, if you have a gyro system where it goes all the different directions, you can go anywhere in space and travel high speeds. But anyway, for this purposes, we want to levitate a aircraft carrier in midair. That's how we do it, using this technology that I invented for levitation purposes.